Listen and practice. A celebration of food and family. Food is a symphony on my tongue, each bite a delightful melody of tastes and textures. My heart beats for juicy hamburgers, a savory duet of meat and cheese, occasionally brightened by ketchup's playful tang. Then come the sweet finales, chocolate cake, a rich, dark area, and vanilla cake, a light and airy scherzo. Both reach their crescendo with ice cream and milk, a creamy, frosty bliss. My son, however, conducts a one-man show with peanut butter and jelly. This childhood classic, a simple yet satisfying duet of sweet and salty, fuels his boundless appetite. Food, for us, is more than sustenance. It's a celebration of life's delicious moments, shared one bite at a time. Repeat after me. A celebration of food and family. A celebration of food and family. A celebration of food and family. Food is a symphony. Food is a symphony. Food is a symphony. On my tongue. On my tongue. On my tongue. Each bite a delightful melody. Each bite a delightful melody. Each bite a delightful melody of tastes and textures. Of tastes and textures. Of tastes and textures. My heart beats. My heart beats. My heart beats. For juicy hamburgers. For juicy hamburgers. For juicy hamburgers. A savory duet of meat and cheese. A savory duet of meat and cheese. A savory duet of meat and cheese. Occasionally brightened by ketchup's playful tang. Occasionally brightened by ketchup's playful tang. Occasionally brightened by ketchup's playful tang. Then come the sweet finales. Then come the sweet finales. Then come the sweet finales. Chocolate cake, a rich. Chocolate cake, a rich. Chocolate cake, a rich. Dark area and vanilla cake. Dark area and vanilla cake. Dark area and vanilla cake. A light and airy scherzo. A light and airy scherzo. A light and airy scherzo. Both reach their crescendo. Both reach their crescendo. Both reach their crescendo. With ice cream and milk. With ice cream and milk. With ice cream and milk. A creamy, frosty bliss. A creamy, frosty bliss. A creamy, frosty bliss. My son, however, my son, however, my son, however, conducts a one-man. Conducts a one-man. Conducts a one-man show with peanut butter and jelly. Show with peanut butter and jelly. Show with peanut butter and jelly. This childhood classic. This childhood classic. This childhood classic. A simple yet satisfying. A simple yet satisfying. A simple yet satisfying duet of sweet and salty. Duet of sweet and salty. Duet of sweet and salty. Fuels his boundless appetite. Fuels his boundless appetite. Fuels his boundless appetite. Food for us. Food for us. Food for us is more than sustenance. Is more than sustenance. Is more than sustenance. It's a celebration of life's delicious moments. It's a celebration of life's delicious moments. It's a celebration of life's delicious moments. Shared one bite at a time. Shared one bite at a time. Shared one bite at a time. Well, how did you do with the reading? I'm about to ask a few questions. Let's see how well you've retained the information. What is the father's favorite part of the meal? A. Vanilla cake. B. Chocolate cake. C. Juicy hamburgers. D. Peanut butter and jelly. C. Juicy hamburgers. Which dessert is described as a light and airy scherzo? A. Chocolate cake. B. Vanilla cake. C. Ice cream and milk. D. Juicy hamburgers. B. Vanilla cake. What does the son prefer as his go-to food combination? A. Chocolate cake and ice cream. B. Juicy hamburgers with ketchup. C. Peanut butter and jelly. D. Vanilla cake with ketchup. C. Peanut butter and jelly.